As you can see, this is the morning after the storm. There's James. Hey James.
Hey.
So tell us what happened yesterday.
Well, it was the same day my band Revival was playing a show. We were in the bathroom, and with this lovely storm going on, there was a bang. So I mean, naturally, I just thought it was a tree falling. I don't know, on a car or something, not beneficial to anyone. But my guitar player went outside, and then he said, "Holy crap, James! There's a tree on your roof." And I came out here. And this is what I saw, but at the time it was also a little bit more work being done before people came to help us fix it up. But this is what we're dealing with right now. We have this tree from the woods over there, collapsed. And we have some gutters and some parts of the roof that we're gonna have to fix right now. So it's definitely nothing fun. It's gonna be a lot of work in the next few days. That's the story.
And what did it sound like when it happened?
Like that part in Paranormal Activity, when they're sleeping and there's a huge bang.
And what's behind you? I see something behind you.
Oh, that's my favorite. The wires. I got to say that. As soon as we heard that bang, all the power went. That, fortunately, they did fix the wire to give us electric and power, but we still got to deal with all these cables, which aren't live anymore, but it's still going to be a hassle.
Yeah, it came in so that That's what happened Friday the 13th.